Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 Mazda CX-5 Sport Nav Plus. This car comes with the 2-litre petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 163 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 36 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 16 and this is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 26,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the Deep Crystal Blue Mica and looks in good condition for age and mileage of the car. As we look inside, first of all, you'll see the interior is in great condition there. The seats are leather, electric on the front there, and also heated. And then in the centre, you've got an armrest and 2 cup holders for the front passengers. On the Sport Nav Plus, the car comes with many features. So a few that I can mention, you've got Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and this car also has a heated steering wheel to complement the front heated seats, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card there you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. You also have the Bose sound system with a subwoofer in the boot, which I'll show you in a second. And then finally, on the interior, you've also got the sunroof as well to let in plenty of sunlight in the summer. The CX-5 is a great car for family, so nice wide door openings there in the back, easy access if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example, good amount of legroom and headroom. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents there in the centre too. As we open the tailgate, which is electric, you have a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats, and the parcel shelf is still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you also have, as I mentioned, your subwoofer there and also your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, the 19-inch gunmetal alloy wheels, and also a rear reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.